This distinction is important because some of astronomy's biggest mysteries cannot be solved by studying only a handful of galaxies. Scientists need enormous amounts of data gathered from millions, or even billions, of objects spread throughout the universe. Large-scale surveys reveal patterns that remain invisible when focusing on isolated targets. Roman was specifically designed to gather this kind of information, making it one of NASA's most ambitious scientific instruments. Much of the universe remains hidden from direct observation. Everything humans can see, touch, and measure with ordinary matter accounts for only a tiny fraction of the cosmos. The overwhelming majority appears to consist of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious components that continue to challenge modern physics. Dark matter cannot be observed directly because it neither emits nor reflects light. However, astronomers know it exists because its gravitational influence affects the motion of galaxies. Stars located near the outer edges of galaxies move much faster than expected. Without additional unseen mass, these galaxies should gradually fall apart. Instead, an invisible gravitational framework appears to hold them together. Dark energy presents an even greater puzzle. Rather than pulling objects together through gravity, it seems to be driving the expansion of the universe at an accelerating rate. Observations show that galaxies are moving away from one another faster over time, suggesting that some unknown force is stretching the fabric of space itself. Despite decades of research, scientists still do not fully understand what dark energy actually is. Roman is expected to provide some of the most detailed measurements ever collected to investigate these cosmic mysteries. Rather than searching for dark matter directly, the telescope will examine how invisible mass influences the light traveling across the universe. By observing these subtle effects across enormous distances, researchers hope to create the clearest maps ever made of the hidden structure shaping the cosmos. One of Roman's most powerful scientific tools will be gravitational lensing. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, massive objects bend the space around them, causing light to follow curved paths instead of traveling in perfectly straight lines. Even invisible concentrations of dark matter can warp the light coming from galaxies located far behind them. As a result, distant galaxies may appear slightly stretched, distorted, or shifted from their true shapes. These tiny changes are often impossible to notice when studying only a few galaxies. However, when the same measurements are repeated across billions of objects, the hidden distribution of matter begins to emerge with remarkable clarity. Roman is expected to observe roughly 2 billion galaxies during its mission. Previous surveys measured only a small fraction of that number. With such an enormous dataset, astronomers will be able to construct detailed three-dimensional maps showing how dark matter is distributed throughout vast regions of the universe. These observations will also allow scientists to trace how cosmic structures have evolved over billions of years. At the same time, the mission will collect valuable information about the universe's expansion history. By studying distant supernova explosions and analyzing the large-scale arrangement of galaxies, researchers hope to determine whether dark energy behaves consistently across cosmic time or whether it changes in ways that could point toward entirely new laws of physics. If current theories are correct, Roman's observations should strengthen our understanding of how the universe has evolved. If the measurements reveal unexpected results, however, they could force scientists to rethink some of the most fundamental ideas in cosmology. Either outcome would represent a major scientific. Roman's mission extends far beyond studying dark matter and dark energy. During its survey operations, the observatory will continuously monitor nearly 100 million stars located toward the center of our galaxy. Instead of searching for planets using the traditional transit method, Roman will rely on a technique known as gravitational microlensing. This phenomenon occurs when an object passes between Earth and a distant star. As the foreground object's gravity bends the star's light, the star briefly appears brighter than usual. If the foreground object is accompanied by a planet, that planet creates its own subtle signature within the light curve. By carefully analyzing these temporary changes, astronomers can detect planets that would otherwise remain completely hidden. This approach is especially valuable because it allows scientists to discover worlds orbiting much farther from their stars than those commonly found by missions such as Kepler or TESS. These colder, more distant planets resemble the outer regions of our own solar system, offering valuable clues about how planetary systems form and evolve throughout the galaxy. Researchers expect Roman to identify thousands of previously unknown exoplanets. The mission will dramatically expand our understanding of how common different planetary systems are and whether arrangements similar to our own solar system are rare or surprisingly widespread. Yet history has shown that the greatest discoveries often arrive unexpectedly. Many of astronomy's most important breakthroughs were never part of the original mission objectives. Instruments like Hubble and James Webb revealed entirely new phenomena that scientists had not predicted before launch. Roman is expected to continue that tradition. Because it will repeatedly observe enormous portions of the sky with remarkable precision, the telescope is likely to capture rare cosmic events that previous missions either overlooked or simply could not detect. Strange explosions, unusual gravitational lensing events, mysterious transient objects, and entirely new classes of astronomical phenomena may all emerge from the vast amount of information Roman will collect. Its official scientific goals are already ambitious, but the mission's greatest discoveries may ultimately come from questions no one has thought to ask yet. Every time astronomy gains access to a completely new way of observing the universe, unexpected surprises tend to follow. Another reason Roman represents such an important step forward is the sheer volume of information it will produce. Earlier generations of telescopes often focused on individual targets one at a time. Roman introduces a different philosophy. Instead of examining isolated objects, it will survey the sky so extensively that astronomers can study the universe as one enormous interconnected system. With observations covering roughly 2 billion galaxies and around 100 million stars, scientists will be able to search for large-scale patterns that have remained hidden simply because previous surveys lacked sufficient coverage. Relationships that once appeared random may suddenly become obvious when viewed across such an enormous sample. This transformation is significant because modern cosmology depends heavily on statistics. Small datasets can produce uncertainty, but massive surveys allow researchers to separate genuine cosmic trends from coincidence. Roman's observations are expected to provide one of the most complete datasets ever assembled for studying the structure and evolution of the universe. As these measurements accumulate, they will place current scientific theories under far stricter examination. If dark matter behaves exactly as predicted, its influence should become increasingly clear across Roman's unprecedented survey maps. If observations fail to match theoretical expectations, scientists may be forced to consider entirely new explanations for the universe's hidden structure. The same is true for dark energy. Roman's precise measurements of cosmic expansion will test whether existing models remain accurate over billions of years or whether the universe is revealing behavior that cannot be explained by today's understanding of physics. Rather than simply collecting beautiful images, Roman is designed to answer some of the biggest unanswered questions in science. Every observation will contribute to a growing body of evidence capable of confirming long-standing theories, or challenging them in unexpected ways. For that reason, Roman should not be viewed as a replacement for the James Webb Space Telescope. The two observatories perform complementary roles. Webb excels at studying individual galaxies, stars, and planetary atmospheres with extraordinary detail, while Roman identifies the larger patterns that exist across vast regions of space. Together, they create a far more powerful scientific partnership than either mission could achieve alone. Roman can locate unusual objects, rare gravitational lenses, distant supernovae, unexpected galaxy clusters, and other intriguing targets spread across the sky. Webb can then examine those discoveries in remarkable detail, revealing their physical properties with unmatched precision. This combination allows astronomers to move seamlessly from broad discovery to detailed investigation. One telescope identifies where the mysteries are hiding, while the other explores those mysteries at the highest possible resolution. That partnership has the potential to transform our understanding of the universe in ways that neither observatory could accomplish.